What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, for today's recipe, we're going to be cooking pineapple rice and oven jerk chicken. So for today's video, we're going to be featuring on the pineapple rice. So I'm going to take you through the steps of how I make my pineapple rice. Remember, we say when it comes to cooking, you have to try new stuff. Okay, guys, so chicken seasoned already, ready for the oven. So I'm going to walk you through the step. And for this pineapple rice that is cooked already, leftover rice is the best rice to use, but it's perfectly fine to go ahead and you can cook your rice before. You can use fresh rice as well, but overnight leftover rice is the best. Some diced pineapple, I'm adding cilantro, these are sweet peppers, a little red onion, a little scallion, and I'm going to be adding egg. So I'm going to walk you through the steps of preparing this lovely meal. Okay, guys, going to be adding a little tubs of oil to scramble my egg. Adding the pineapple. So guys, with pineapple you have to add a little tubs of sugar. Just a little tubs, not much. I want you guys to come from now, just a little tubs. Wow, this aroma is to die for. To add the rice now. So guys, this is quite quick and simple, quick and easy to prepare. Seems like I always find it simple and easy meals to prepare. To take time because this might kill all. So guys, here's our pineapple rice already. So we're waiting on the jerk chicken now so we can share our meal and dine. Guys, it's a Sunday and I do these little these recipes to show persons that you don't always have to have rice and peas on a Sunday. There's so much little meal idea you can put together and enjoy yourself a delicious meal. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to try this. I'm going to try this with the shrimp. So I'm going to do a pineapple shrimp fried rice. Yes, I'm going to try that. I'm going to try with the shrimp. Guys, here's the sauce that I prepare to put on the jerk chicken. Yes. Here we have our scrumptious meal, guys. That's pineapple rice with oven jerk chicken. Guys, That's the vibes. Thank you all so much for liking and sharing and commenting. Thank you guys. Thank you to my loyal viewers. Thank you for my new viewers, guys. If you're new to my channel, remember to hit subscribe, press like, share with your friends, and leave a comment. And I hope this video will help someone as they go along. Okay, my lovely people.